Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a name change on your driving license. The first crucial step is to update your legal name with the relevant government authority, like the Social Security Administration in some regions. This foundational change ensures consistency across all your official records. You will need to gather certified documents that legally confirm your new name, such as a marriage certificate or a court order. Completing this initial step is essential before proceeding with your driving license update. Once your primary identity records are updated, you will need to gather several key documents. This includes your current driving license and the official document proving your name change, such as a marriage certificate or a court order. You might also need additional forms of identification, like a birth certificate or a valid passport. Remember to bring original documents, as most offices do not accept copies. Having everything ready will streamline your application process. With your documents in hand, the next step is to complete the official application form for a driving license name change. Many jurisdictions require an in-person visit to a local licensing office, so consider scheduling an appointment. You will need to surrender your current driving license as part of the process. Be ready to pay a small fee, which usually ranges from $10 to $30 for the issuance of your updated license. After submitting your application, you will often receive a temporary driving license, valid for a period of about 60 days. Your new, permanent driving license, reflecting your updated name, will then be mailed to your address. This typically takes 2 to 4 weeks to arrive. Once you receive your new license, it is important to update other related documents, such as your vehicle registration and insurance policies, to ensure all your records are consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.